In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shopping cart buttons. We'll walk through PayPal's button builder from start to finish so you can add to cart and view cart buttons to your site in just a few minutes. Start by logging into your PayPal account. On the left side of the dashboard, expand the Pay and Get Paid section, then select Create Shopping Cart Buttons. If the interface highlights this option for you, simply click on the highlighted area to continue. Inside the Shopping Cart Buttons editor, you'll notice tabs across the top. Begin on the Product tab. Enter a clear item name, add an optional description that helps customers know exactly what they're buying, set the item price, and choose your currency. If you want buyers to select more than one, toggle quantity, and set a maximum between 1 and 100. You can also enable images to showcase the product. Up to 5 images are supported. For additional settings, open more options to allow customer notes, assign a product ID for your own tracking, configure variants like size or color, and manage inventory so you don't oversell. As you edit, watch the live preview on the right to confirm everything looks the way you expect. Short, accurate names and concise descriptions make checkout smoother. Next, move to the Checkout tab. Here you decide what the buyer sees during checkout. Enable shipping address if you need to collect a destination for physical goods. Use shipping fee to select a rate from the dropdown, including a free shipping choice when that makes sense for your offer. Set taxes to apply the correct rate for your location and product type. Choose a discount if you're running a promotion, and add a handling fee if you have packaging or processing costs. Keep an eye on the preview so you can verify that the charges display exactly as intended. When everything looks good, click Build It in the upper right. The page will refresh and generate 2 code snippets, one for the View Cart button and one for the Add to Cart button, along with instructions on how to place them on your site or page builder. These snippets power the Add to Cart and View Cart actions on your site, and the page will show you exactly how to implement them within your website builder or CMS. That's the full process for creating shopping cart buttons in PayPal. Configure your product, refine the checkout experience, build the buttons, and publish. Thanks for watching and happy selling.